say big Glocks. I say big Glocks. I say big Glocks.
Damn, cut that bitch up, Malone.
I say big Glocks. I'ma pull up on your block and let off all these big shots. AR in my pants and that bitch came with a big stop. AGM the gang, don't let me go bring them sticks out. Say you talking little too much, bitch you got a big mouth. And bitch you think I'm with the shit, so bitch you right. Brother cop the big 40 and that bitch they on his right. Slinging 9, toting sticks, that's that shit I like. I went and dropped a bag up on his head so he got right.
AGM we pull up, get the dumping like it's nothing. I sent 20 at your head, I think 5 hit his stomach. Now his mama know he dead and all she do is vomit. They like beer with the infrared, always in the sun. I was locked up in the prison, did my time like it was nothing. I forgot my bitch was trying to see me, tune shit, line me up. I'm in the pod with gorillas, lot of months was really tough. I'm feeling good, all in my bed because I just was on the bunk. RP to K, that was my little bro, I'm with them things. AG in the squad, everywhere I go I'm with the gang. Yes, I believe in God, but I keep the devil on my hip. Feel like I didn't live this life before cause I'm not new to this. I don't want the kill, Doodle raise his hand like I want this. Be red, don't play for no NFL, but always in the field. I got shooters waiting for the call, really want the kill. Switch it up, my flow, I won't give it up. Beam on the Glock, with a bro, try to
big Glocks. I'ma pull up on your block and let off all these big shots. AR in my pants and that bitch came with a big stop. AGM the gang, don't let me go bring them sticks out. Say you talking little too much, bitch you got a big mouth. And bitch you think I'm with the shit, so bitch you right. Brother cop the big 40 and that bitch they on his right. Slinging 9, toting sticks, that's that shit I like. I went and dropped a bag up on his head so he got right.
Dropped the whole bag on this shit.
Yeah,
Look,
bitch ass. In the back of the back with a big man.
Hey, Joe.
Bitch ass nigga. Hey June.